Easy, kitty. Try to keep my cool.
Gusto niyang bumaba. Oh, sige. Ala, hulog ka. Sige.
Don't do it. No black cat is as cool as this black cat.
Saan ka? Ha? Halika. Tingin ako uli. Ano mo? Tsura mo. Aray. Ano? Tingin daw ako. No? Ang flat kasi ng ano nito eh. Ilong. Ay!
What makes you so righteous, cockroach? Are you with the superpower police?
A traffic cone?
Oh no, I'm so scared.
Sige, saan ka? Wala, sige. Hulog ka lang naman dyan.
They're not a comatose.
Wala, sige.
And who the cat are you?
Butterfly, it's an honor.
I know. I'll explain.
Ay, hulog ka. Marunong na matakot. Sino yan?
Lady.
Ba, ganito. Puro Angela. Lychee. Sino yan? Ha, Bibi? Bibi no yan eh. Kamag-anak mo yan eh. Pamangkin mo yan, Bibi.
Kapatid?
Oh, kapatid mo yan. Oh, ayan oh.
Lapit ka doon.
Payala.
Naamoy na lang. Bawa naman ang batang to.
Flat yung ano.
Pero ito.
Mahilig yan umupo.
Diyan ka lang. Sa mingming na maliit.
Ay, naklamot ka mo. Akin na yan. Oh, akin na. Oh, ikaw din. Ano, puro init ko ang tingin. Tiger look. Adidiri, oh. Adit. Cute it mata.
Kasi lahat naman sila ng baby, pablo ang mata eh. Pagkatanda nila, yellow na.
Hindi, yung puro mata talaga. Ay!
Wish they were back in their world faster than a whip of my tail.
Ay! Ay!
Hey, what are you?
Celesticat, I am Butterfly.
No, get out of my head.
I'm not your enemy. I only want to entrust you with the power to save us.
How do I know you're telling the truth? I don't know you.
I only work for the greater good.